In this video, I'll show you how to use Kling AI for beginners and create your first AI video step by step. First, open Kling AI and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, take a moment to look around the interface. You'll find the tools and options needed to create AI-generated videos. To begin, select the video creation option. Kling AI can create videos from text prompts and images, so beginners can choose the method that best fits their project. If you want to create a video from text, start by writing a simple but detailed prompt. Describe the main subject, what is happening, the environment, camera movement, lighting, and visual style. For example, instead of writing only "a dog running," you could describe a realistic golden retriever running through a green field during golden hour, with natural movement and a smooth, cinematic camera tracking the dog. After entering your prompt, review the available settings and start generating the video. The generation process may take some time, so wait until the video is ready. When your video is generated, preview it carefully. Look for problems with movement, characters, objects, camera motion, or overall realism. If the result isn't perfect, don't worry. Modify your prompt and generate another version. With practice, you'll learn which descriptions produce better results. You can also use an image as a starting point and animate it with Kling AI. This is useful when you already have a character, product, scene, or other visual that you want to turn into a video. For beginners, the most important thing is to start with simple ideas, use clear prompts, and experiment with different settings. And that's how beginners can get started with Kling AI and create their first AI videos.